What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Big Dolo at the track. Last time of the year. On 26 this time. Last time we came on the radio, man. I put on a show for y'all on the gas stuff. I showed y'all a little bit more. So today, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more with Dolo. We're gonna hit that joker with the crack. We're supposed to have some action with my bro Tim James, man. But we're gonna see what happens if he come through. Then my partner, man. Shout out to him. We supposed to play around. Whoever else, whatever happened, it is what it is. So y'all see we got it down here. We finna get this joker unloaded. And it already ready. It's on go, man. You know, like we tuned it up the other day. It's all ready. It's on go. Everything good, man. All we gotta do is strap the bottle in here and go to it. I'm gonna make the first hit on motor, see what it do. Cause I have not made a pass down here on motor since I got the new fuel system. Took it down to rentals. It went good, it went faster, but you know, spinning the tire was super cold at night. So I'm anxious to see what it's gonna do today down here on motor. We're gonna let it heat cycle, get some heat in the engine so it won't be breaking up and all that stuff too. So we're gonna put some good heat in and all that. But we finna get this thing unloaded, man. I'll turn y'all on. Alright, y'all, take it in, man. So we're finna make the first hit on Dolo. We're gonna do a motor hit call. Like I told y'all, we have not been down to that track since we redid the fuel system. So what I'm looking for a personal best on the motor, man, on these wheels right here. It already set, ready to go. So I'm gonna tune in to y'all from the GoPro, and we're gonna see what happens, man. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see my bro G done made it over here. Second, man. Trying to get him right. Try to put it over there. He over there talking to Carl right now, man. Taking everything out. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all, G never tried.
Commercial break. Crack pudding, best thing y'all niggas ever had. I'm telling y'all, I gotta be a top customer. I spend a 60 ball, 80 ball, 100 ball every time. Look, you go, man. Pudding man.
Yeah, CJ,
Flat just said I'm fat. Sounds good with me. She here good.
hey man, we trying to tell G.
Yeah, they
Red velvet. G, you gotta try that red velvet, man. We trying
They got
to.
like 6, 7 flavors over there though. Yeah. Strawberry crunch.
G finna go right here. G first time on crack pudding, man. We finna see what it do. G first time hitting the crack pudding, man. We finna see. CJ, good man. CJ, hey, first time. This is first time we gotta catch react. First time, man. With a crack pudding.
Did we line? And did we? Yeah, G-line. You gotta give him a run there.
Hey, you gotta get that. Hey, I'm gonna buy the red velvet. I'm gonna buy you one red velvet, the classic red velvet. I'm gonna get the red velvet. I'm gonna get the boy the red velvet, man. Oh, that's on here, boy. You gotta try that. Oh, take over the camera.
Oh yeah. Good man.
Boy, see, y'all see him all the time.
Okay. Oh. You digging it? Look at Flint. Chill out, man. Over with. Hey, that first hit. Look. Smooth transaction. That first hit.
Y'all see my boy, bro, hot rod, chicken.
I just got hurt. I can't juggle all those calls. So
You got drive, man. Shout out to my boy Hot Rod, man. We got you on the vlog channel, man. Y'all know we've been rocking a long time.
Long time, man. Jmalcom still in the building doing our thing.
Yeah, we still rolling, man.
Hey,
still rolling.
You ain't came and took it for a ride yet. I guess I need to sign up for a feature, man.
We gotta take each other for a ride, man. We gotta take each other.
We're gonna switch up.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
I'm ready to do that whenever
I'm ready
to do that whenever you ready to.
Yeah, so y'all know we're gonna have that coming, man. Hot Rod gonna ride in meat, and I'm gonna ride in the legendary KDC.
Yeah, he getting in with me.
I'm getting in. Hey, we riding in.
I'm gonna sit him down through there.
I recorded him.
Hey, it's only right. He said, "Well, that's the fast thing. I gotta be the fast box shit on the road."
Hey,
I gotta make it worth it while now.
hey, you got to legendary. Look,
I ain't gonna run it off the road because he good at that.
oh, hold on. No, wait a minute. You ain't been Rod. You ain't finna tell me you ain't been on side of the road now.
I have. It's been a while.
Hey, if you.
Hey, he ran on one ride with him with a bumper elbow.
Hey, look, it's crazy. Look, when they went down through there, they were like this. That's
it.
He kept looking like this.
Hey, so look, stay in between the ditches, man. Stay in between the ditches.
Hey, I'm telling you, boy. Hey, that's it.
That's it. Right there, though.
Most definitely, that's legendary.
That took me for a surprise.
That's legendary.
Oh, he's still spinning.
When they start, they didn't see them say doing it. When they start, they
Hey,
only thing he didn't do is give us the road. I wanted to see what the road looked like when he got through there.
I need to go back.
I know he live.
Nah, they went like that. Them the curve, they went like that, and then that's it. They went. That's it, man.
the car was moving fast to the sideways.
Hey, man, they say if you ain't been on the road, you ain't had nothing fast. Hey, you done been on the road, boy. All right, Roy. All right, y'all. We checking in. So down here, y'all see the rain came down. We made one hit. We made one hit with Dolo. They cut out it cut out up top again, man. And I had some heat. I had some good heat in the engine, man. I don't know what to it. I don't know what to it with that, man. All I can think about it needs some more fuel pressure. That's all I can really see. It needs some more fuel pressure. Cause it does not do it on the gas, man. I ain't get a chance to make a nitro hit, which is really what I came to do with this one right here today. I came to make a nitro hit, but it rained. I should have went ahead and hit it out the trailer with the gas, cause that's really what I came to do. But then I want to see my ticket on the motor too, since I never been down here after I redid the fuel system. But like I said, they say they might dry it up. If they dry it up, man, we're going straight to it. We're going straight to it, nitro, and see what it do. Send it down through there, man, and take back in. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm checking in, man. I made it back. Waiting on my boy Flex to get here with Dolo. They leave, man. All in all, man, it was a good day. It was a good day at the track. My bad, y'all. They leave, they be blowing in the garage, man. It was a good day, man, all in all. Still in the garage, probably gonna get bright. But yeah, like I said, all in all, it was a good day, man. I hate I didn't get a chance to I made one shakedown in Dolo, man. One shakedown. And still I went to make the shakedown on nitro, man. And usually that's what I do. I'm like, let me go ahead and do what I came to do straight out the trailer. Let me do that. But I just had a feeling I was gonna have time. The weather was looking good. I said, man, let me go ahead and make this motor hit and see what it do. Which said it cut out again, man. I got to really find out what it is, man. It's intermittent, so sometimes it show itself, sometimes it don't. Like I really don't know, but it's a problem. It's a problem. Something happening, man. So I got to figure that out, man. Maybe we need to up the fuel pressure or something. I don't know. I got to see what's going on with that, man, cause I can't have that. Yeah, I got a nitrous motor, but you still want to perform best as it's gonna perform on motor too, man. So it affect the time on top end a lot. Like it kill mile per hour and stuff when you go on top end. So, but that joker left that line good. And I mean, inside I be wanting to flow it, just, but you don't never know what you're gonna get, man. I like, man, I'd rather just get her for show off the line than instead of flowing and stuff. But the day I decided to just really go off the line and it hooked, man, it gonna be something to see. But it gonna be something to see anyway on nitro, man, cause like I said, I'm looking at what it run, and me on gas, I can knock more than a second off on gas depending on my tune up, on what I'm shooting it with, or how I got a ramp, what percentage. That's what I love about the way I got my car set up, man. I mean, I really can play with people. I can fool them like don't nobody never know when my car out the back door. No matter how fast it look or how slow it look or whatever. You never know, car. I can adjust the power and stuff, but I can knock well over a second off what I run on any car with motor and stuff. So I'm like, man, this joker gonna go on the gas, man. When I lay that ramp down, I was gonna show y'all something today. I was gonna show y'all something. Cause at the end of the year, man, I was gonna be like, well, let me show the BCG. The BCG found what it is, man. But the rain came through. It kind of messed everything up, man. But still happened. You know, it was a good time with the fam. You know, had fun with the fam and stuff, man. Shout out to my crew, man, that always help. You know, little bro. Shout out to my boy Mon. He come through and help when he can too with us. Shout out to my guy Flex, man. It is my fam Jeremy. Y'all know the one. He record with me for my racing channel. It's all family, man. It's all family. Shout out to everybody. Cause this, man, y'all just don't know. Dealing with these cars, it helps to have a team, man. Like, you know, when I go by myself, normally, like I said, I wouldn't took 2 cars by myself. I wouldn't. Cause it's a lot. Like, that's why I can handle 1 car by myself, but it helps a lot having somebody to you know, help you stage and make sure you're in the right spot in the burnout box and all this stuff. It helped, man. It's a lot of help. It take a lot of it take a lot of strain off of you, you know, thinking about that. I need to do that, I need to do that, this and that. So man, I really appreciate them a lot, man. Like that's a big help, you know. So I got to show them some love. But the plan now, man, since I ain't gonna lie, it kinda I hate the way the day went cause of the fact the rain, man. Like, it don't be just bringing the footage for y'all. I be amped up about this stuff myself because at the same time I got goals I'm trying to reach myself. So that's what I be on, man. I have my mindset on doing something and accomplishing something, and then it don't go as planned. So I'm like, man, God. And you know, that was the last race of the year for that track. And you know, I be wanting to go where I know the track gonna be tight and I can lay it down and this and that, man. But where I'm at with everything now, either I'm gonna rent the track. I'm gonna just rent the track if I can do a private track rental, and that probably be like one of the best things to do. We're gonna do that, and I know I'm gonna be going to rentals, man. I'm gonna be here in Silver Dollar because they're gonna open all year. Cause here in Georgia, you know, we just have crazy weather, man. We'll mess around and have some 65, 70 degree days, and if we catch them, they gonna open. So y'all, the track ain't over with, man. Cause I would have been more at ease if I would have did what I planned on doing. Basically, if I would have did what I planned on doing, I would have been more at ease, man. Cause I don't never be fine until I hit my goals. I have personal goals. That's why I tell you I don't be trying to beat nobody, but I have personal goals that I be done set for myself. When I hit them goals or I exceed them goals, I'm cool. I'm cool after that, man. I mean, I can chill out for a second. But you know, all in all, it was a good day, man. I got to shout out to my boy Flex, cause y'all know I'm shooting the series. Y'all done seen multiple vlogs. At this point, I don't know which order I dropped them in, but y'all know I took 2 cars today. Flex came through and picked it up, man. So I really shout out to Flex, man. He always come through whenever I need him. That's my boy, man. And that's just he a real one. Every time I come through when I need him, man, y'all know I do the same for him and stuff. So that's just what it is, man. That's how you supposed to be. That's how you supposed to be. That's how you supposed to rock with people, man. You keep solid people around you, concrete, you know, and that's what it's about. So that's it, man. They're gonna wrap it up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.